Hello, my name is Olo. I'm going to share how you can make money selling t-shirt online and using AI. Let's go to the browser and search for Dolly. I'm using Dolly 2. Try. For example, we can ask who in dollar. If we don't like this, we can say generate, or we can change the description here. For example, this one is one of those I like, and then just go download. So when we download and then we go open it on our program. I use Photoshop so that to prepare the t-shirt. The next step is remove the background. The white background is gone. It's over. I can write, I am the boss. I am the boss. Made by AI. Voila. So this is a quick design I just made. I'm the boss made by AI. Now from this design we save it. I'm going to save this one. So I have to save, so this is 2, and I have to save it as a PNG file. So PNG file and save. Now I go in my browser and open Merch by Amazon. I have an account. If you'd like to learn how to create an account, I can post a video in the future. So this is the image, and then this is how it's going to look like based on the color. If we need this black color background, that's okay. Or if we need to change, we click on the edit tag and then details, and then we select the colors. I like these, so we can keep it green or white. So we pick any color we want. In this case, I can select many colors. The price, you put the price you want, and this is the royalty you're going to get. So if you put $19.99, you have $4. In the US and UK, Denmark, France, Italy, Spain, and also Japan. So you can select the prices, and then you go to the next design, front, a small design, and then the back. And then you can also have it on like bags like this. The challenge with bags or pillowcases is the color, and you can only have one color. So for example here, select, and then you select the color. Let's see, for example yellow, and then your bag going to be yellow. In the center. Same here for the pillowcase. You can change the color of the pillowcase. Let's keep it white. When you are done with your set of designs, come here, you write the title of your design, how you want it to be shown on Amazon. For example, I can write the brand. This is my brand, La Code, but you can create your own brand. And also it is better to keep the same brand so that you have all your design within one umbrella, one name, so it's easier for you just to track. Now when everything is almost done, you come here. Now this is a translation. If you want to write down the translation, you can write it down, or you can just ask Amazon to translate it for you, and they will. So you check everything is fine, you go publish. You can save it or save it as a draft and then you publish. Confirm, you say yes, confirm. It will be published in all these countries. Now it takes about 6 to 12 hours because it is good enough. Now click view management, and then here, when the translation is done and also the copyright is done, then it's going to show here that it is live. When it's live, that means anybody can go online, buy it. Okay,